Yo, what up guys, it's your boy Chris Vlog. So today I'm going to be doing, hold up, what the heck is it? There it is. How to glue gun this into this, but look it, I think like that, but it's been that fast. So, hold up. So I got this, it's ready, glue gun, ready. Just need to put this in here. Alright, so now that I have this, ow, alright, I put this in carefully so the glue doesn't fall out. So then next, you push this out, okay, and then now you have enough glue. Alright, okay. It's going good. Alright, now let's put this to rest. No, I did. Put this to rest. And then now, where's the bearing? I just had the bearing. I am losing everything. Okay. So now you place this in. Side. There we go. Now just push it in a little harder. Doesn't spin that well. Yeah, because it's a glue right here. So I'm gonna grab this. Once you remove some of the glue, it will work. It's pretty nice, not that bad. Just push it in a little more. Then now, let's not take a break. Next, what you do is you put some glue like right there. So what I would recommend you guys is to grab one of these. Like, okay, so like what you do is you grab a glue gun, of course, the glue ammo. Hold up. Grab this and put it inside the glue gun, inside of this, inside back there, and then use the glue and make sure it melts inside the middle so you'll have some good grip. It's pretty cool. Oh shoot, I can't spin it. It's not that bad for a glue gun fidget spinner because I just got a bearing and then this glue gunned it together. So it's not that bad, guys. All you guys need just to make this is a bearing, like the fidget spinner outlet, unless you want to make one. Oh no, I dropped my spiky thing. Hold up. I think you guys might have saw me, but who cares? No, I don't think you guys did. Okay, so then like if you want to take this out, just push the pin. Push the pin right there. Once you get it in there, it should be able to be pullable. So then you just push and done. But I recommend to have it in there. Hold up. Push this in. And yeah, so that's it for the DIY. Peace out.